If your camera is not working in your Google Chrome browser, you might need to go and allow access or give it permissions to be used. And the first thing you'll need to do is to open up your Google Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots on the top right, and then go to Settings. And then from the left side menu, you want to click on Privacy and Security, and then click on Site Settings. And from here, you want to go to the Permissions tab, which is this one, and then find the camera and click on it. And from the drop down here at the top, you want to select your camera device, and then you will simply need to set it to sites can ask to use your camera. If it's set to don't allow, you want to set it to the first option, and you want to make sure that the website you're trying to use the camera on is not listed under this not allowed to use camera category. And if it is, you want to click on this trash button next to the website here, which will remove it. And the next time you open up the website, it should ask you to allow to use the camera via a pop-up that comes in the website. And once you allow it, it should be added to this list, which means you can use the camera on the website. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.